Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to explain to you how to pay your BIR taxes. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the Bureau of Internal Revenue itself, and you have to get what is called a tax identification number, TIN number. This is the building that you would get the TIN number in. After you get your TIN number, then you go to a service where you can have books made up for sales receipts. You have to have those. And you can buy 6 books or 12 books, whatever. And they're about 140 pesos per book. After you do that, what you do is you keep a record of your income on a monthly basis. And every 3 months, you have to go to the BIR and pay your taxes before or on the 21st of the month. If you pay after that, there's a penalty of 1,000 pesos plus a penalty on the taxes that you owe. Now, how do you know how many taxes or how much taxes you owe? Well, you keep a record of your income, and then before the 21st, you go to an accountant. Now, there's an accountant's office right here, right next to the BIR, that building right there. The door, first door. Go up these steps, first door. The accountant will charge you 100 pesos to do your paperwork, $2. Believe it or not, that's the truth. Now, the accountant gives you these forms, depending on what business that you have and how much money you made. The accountant figures out your taxes. Then on or before the 21st, you come and you used to have to take a number, but now they have a different way to do it. So you sit in a chair from the door to here. I'm number 8, and then it goes back that way for the people that wish to pay and already have their paperwork. This is for a different type of business tax. So typically, if you want to get here first, if you want to be here in the morning and get here online first, what you have to do, what the hell, what happened there? Oh, it's still recording. Okay. What you have to do is, I get here at 6:45 in the morning, and there was just 7 people ahead of me. You can get here at 6 o'clock if you want to be first, but these 6 people represent about 35 minutes in the tax office itself, so it's not a big deal. But over here, by the time you get to the end of this line, and it's probably 3 hours of a wait. So, and a lot of times what you do is you come here, you used to have a ticket, a number ticket, no more. So now you have to stay in your chair and wait. You used to get a number and you could come back in a few hours, but no more like that. So then you go, after you have your paperwork, then you go to this on before the 21st, so you're not late. And then you go up the stairs in this building, and then you get a number. Then you get a number. And once you get that number, we're moving. Oh. Once you get that number, then you sit down in an air-conditioned room upstairs, and they'll call your name, and you go to 2 different windows. I have to go to window 6 and 8, and that's it. And then, but now let me tell you what happens if you're late with your taxes. You don't want to be late. You pay a 1,000 peso penalty, plus the taxes are fined on a daily basis, how many days you're late. So, and then it's problematic because you can't just come and do the routine I just mentioned. Then you have to go to a bank about 5 blocks from here. and then you have to go to the bank, and you have to be at that bank before 12 o'clock. Otherwise, you have to come back the next day. So it's better if you pay it on time. So we're starting to move here. This apparently it opens up at 8 a.m. in the morning, but I get here at 6:45, so I can get the good seat. So this is Michael Fazio in the Philippines saying, "Amping Permi," from Mr. Congeniality himself. Bye-bye for now.